Welcome to One Buckle Street, a piece of Yandina's history beautifully reimagined for modern living. This early 1900s Queenslander has been thoughtfully restored, blending timeless heritage with contemporary elegance, from soaring ceilings and intricate fretwork to a designer kitchen that captures natural light and frames stunning views of Mount Nindri.
Perfectly positioned in the heart of town on an elevated block, it offers not just character and charm, but a rare opportunity with scope for dual living or future expansion. This is One Buckle Street, a truly unique home ready for its next chapter.